Hello and welcome to Mudrex. In this video, we'll show you how to start investing in coin sets on Mudrex. To get started, tap on coin sets on the navigation bar of your Mudrex app. Once you're in the coin sets section, you can scroll through the available options and explore the ones you may want to invest in. You'll be able to view each coin set's performance over time, key details, market cap distribution, and more. Once you've made your choice, tap on the specific coin set and then tap Invest. You can choose to make a one-time investment or set up a daily, weekly, or monthly SIP. Next, enter the amount you want to invest. Please note that investments in coin sets are made in USDT. You can find our video on how to convert your INR funds to USDT in the description below. Once you've entered the amount, you can see a preview of the fees, which as you can see is 0 on coin sets investments. Confirm the transaction to proceed. And that's it. Once the transaction is successful, you'll see the investment successful screen, which means your investment in your chosen coin set has been completed. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us at help@mudrex.com. Happy trading!
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries, contact us at support@mudrex.com.